AVI is an old container format. If it won't play, you are likely missing a specific video codec. The easiest fix isn't to download codecs, but to switch players. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's use VLC. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the AVI format and dozens of others obsolete. The AVI is digitally recognized globally as belonging to the video file family. It uses the audio-video interleave file format to store its contents. The audio-video interleave, AVI file type, is a standard Microsoft multimedia container format. Its primary function is to store video and audio data in a single file, allowing synchronized playback. It is a simple format that does not enforce a specific compression method. Developed by Microsoft for Windows, the format uses the Resource Interchange File format, RIF structure. The design is simple, storing data in chunks called chunky files. Its major limitation is the lack of standardized compression, often requiring specific codecs to be installed for playback. Microsoft Windows Media Player, engineered by Microsoft Corporation, is the application of choice for AVI. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows handles video previewing easily, but professional editing requires feature-rich applications. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your AVI file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Windows Media Player first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. When your AVI file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, use Alternative Player. Install and use a highly compatible media player like VLC Media Player to bypass missing codec issues often found with Windows Media Player. Next, check Install Codecs. Use a tool like Media Info to inspect the codec, e.g. DivX, Xvid, and then download and install that codec pack, e.g. Klite. Finally, repair convert file. Use a video repair tool like DivFix++ to rebuild the index, or use a conversion tool to convert the file to a guaranteed compatible format like MP4. If tests show the AVI file is uniquely difficult, the most practical solution is the Universal Viewer. It is built for non-standard files and worth a try. Skip the hassle. The professional solution is FileMagick. It's a universal opener for the AVI format and more. Get it at filemagick.com. Thanks for watching to the end. Show your appreciation by liking and subscribing. The link for FileMagick is just below the video.